You're welcome to my channel, but before we begin, I want to let you know that your level of discipline in life can determine your altitude, can determine the level of success that you will attain. In today's video, we're going to look at how you can start a home cleaning business in Nigeria. Stick to the end of this video and you will not regret it. But before we begin, please do subscribe and click on that notification bell. I want you to know that this is one lucrative business that has been ignored in Nigeria. That is why I call it untapped business idea. This is an untapped because it's not rampant. There is less competition in this business. So if you step in to this business wherever you are in any of the cities in Nigeria, you are going to make a lot of profit because competition is less. However, there are things you need to do for your business to be successful. And the first step to take is to get a real brand name, a very good brand name, a name that is very attractive. Let your company bear a very attractive name, a name that defines the company, and it shouldn't be too long. It shouldn't be more than 5 words. It's better it's 2 words, 3 words, so that people can remember very fast and it will really help your business. Secondly, let's take a look at some of the materials that you will need in order to carry out this business. Number 3 step, I want you to set up proper licensing and a good security backup, because most times where you will go to, carry out your work may be dangerous. Going to people's home is a dangerous thing. So you need to have a security backup. By that I mean you need to get the security personnel, the security organizations informed. Let them be aware, register with them, create a relationship with them so that you can easily contact them. You must inform them and give them the address of any place that you are going before you step into that place. The next thing you need to do is to plan and set a goal for yourself. That way you are going to be motivated every day. You are going to be steered. You are going to be focused. So sit down, draft a plan. How much you want to achieve before the year runs out. How many persons you're going to employ. Because in most times you're not going to do it alone. It will be tedious. So for your business to flourish, you need this business plan. Having done that, if you set your goals and you have your license, you have your materials, your brand name is unique, let's go to the next step. And the next step is how you are going to charge in this business. How are you going to make money? I'm going to share with you 4 ways that you can actually, charge your client. You should bear it in mind that this is a home cleaning business. So since it involves buildings, the first way that you can charge your client is by foot measurement. That means you get there, measure the building, measure the room, measure the parlor, measure this by square feet, and then you charge per feet. That way you're going to, have a pattern, and it is very straight. No too much negotiation. Now, the second way that you can charge your client is per room rate. That means you're going to go into the building, count the room, or even if you're not in that building, you can, hand over the same slip to the client, and the client will go and tell you straight away that I have 4 rooms, 5 rooms, and you charge per room. Is clearly written there, and the person will know, accept it. There will be no much negotiations. So it's already listed. Just create that voucher, create that list of everything that you need. And once you have a client, or you just hand over the paper, the slip to that person, and he will go through it, see that it's either he is going by per foot or per room charge. Number 3 pattern that you can charge your client is per hour. How many hours it takes you to clean that place? How many hours it will take you? If you stay 1 hour, it may be 5,000 or 2,000. If you spend 3 hours to get the work done, you may charge 10,000. So that is how per hour is one of the patterns that you can also charge your client. Now, the last pattern, the 4th pattern that you can also charge your client and make money is flat rate. You have the amount that is fixed, that for me to leave the office with my team to come for a cleaning, this must be the amount. Now, this is another standard way of billing your clients. Do you want more business ideas? Subscribe and click on that notification bell. You should bear it in mind that there are five factors that can affect your pricing in this business. Number one is the frequency. If the person often clean up the house, the work may not be tedious. Therefore, it will affect the pricing because the place is not all that dirty compared to a newly completed building. You know how tedious that will be. So the frequency of cleanup will determine. Also, if the person is always, is your regular customer, is a regular client, it will affect the price. Number two factor that can affect your pricing is the size of the room, the size of the building. Now, if the work is small, if you have more job in that place, you may charge less. You reduce, try to give discount. Or if the work is not all that much, you know how to charge too. So the size of the work, the size of the room, the size of the building can affect the price. So you must put these things in mind and don't just go charging anyhow. If you go there without being organized, you may lose your clients. The third thing that can affect the pricing is the location. If the place is very far from your office, definitely you are going to transport your equipment and your workers down to that place. And if the place is so, the location will definitely affect the pricing. If you look at it critically, the transport fee and every other thing, you may decide to come back, or maybe that place there is no water, and so you need to go out far to get water to carry your work. So it can affect your pricing. Number four is your experience in the field. So you need to get some experience. Now, if you've not gotten that experience, you need to let them understand. Not by telling them that you're not experienced, but you have to, use your common sense in pricing. So that way you start, step by step until you get the required experience and start making exploit. Number five factor that can affect your pricing is the cleaning time. What type of cleaning are you into? What type of cleaning are you going to carry out in the building? Now, let's look at it this way. If this building has just been completed and they want to pack in, you know that there will be a lot of cleaning. For if that building is tiled, you must buy some chemicals to clean up the tiles, mop the tiles, and keep the house neat for the owners to pack in. So that kind of cleaning is different from cleaning a building that people has been there for a while. Or if somebody has it's a building that a home that has been abandoned for years, maybe the people have traveled abroad and that house has been locked for years, that work there will be tedious compared to where people has been living. So you see, the cleaning type can affect your pricing. So these are things that you must put in place. You must write them down clearly, so that you have an understanding. Don't just step in and make terrible mistakes that will cost you your clients. Now, the next step we are going to look into is, how do you get customers? That is marketing. How do you get your clients? How do you get customers to patronize your business? Number one is go online, go on Facebook, advertise your business. Facebook advert is free, so you can just be making posts frequently. Let your team form the team and let them also make posts. Tag so many persons and advertise your business. Be serious. You should know that it's a business, so you need to be serious with it. Number two strategy is, create a business card, a very small business card that defines your business. That way you can visit offices, visit people, and explain yourself, explain the kind of business that you are into, and give them your card. That way they will also call you when they need your service. Visit banks, visit lecturers, visit companies, visit markets, market women, visit people, visit the hospital, the doctors that are there. You may get a contract to clean the whole hospital. That way you are going to make money. So this is not a business that will just sit at home and the customers come. No, you need to start creating the opportunities. So if you are ready to step into this business, visit hospitals, visit business, visit offices, visit anywhere you know that you can meet potential customer, and you are going to have enough customers that you're going to work every day. You'll be getting customers every day. So business card is one of the things that you need to. Don't just visit empty hand, visit with a business card. Number three strategy that you can use and attract customers is to get connected to contractors. There are contractors that always handle estate build constructions of estate, building estate, and a lot of buildings. Those civil engineers, get in contact with them, connect them, make friends with them. That way, when once they complete a building, you can step in. You go in there and cleaning starts. You have your money. The fourth way that I'm going to share with you is, if you miss any of those buildings, don't hesitate to visit. Don't feel shy. If you don't have any contact with a contractor and you find out that a building has just been completed, you can just stroll down and share your business with that person, explain your business, give that person your card. You may be called, who knows? So these are four strategies that you can advertise your business and attract customers and make good money. This is a very lucrative business, because if you look at the list of the things I displayed on the screen, you find out that none of those things is really expensive. So if you have 50,000, 100,000, 20,000, you can start this home cleaning business and grow big and get to the point that you can win a lot of contracts from government. So you can also visit government houses, government offices, and you have enough customers. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please drop it as a comment, and please do subscribe to our channel. If you want more business, explain the business ideas, just subscribe and we will give you twice a week. Every week, twice. We upload 2 videos every week. Please do subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye bye.